Welcome, you are watching Cyber News HD. Now we have some important news.
Adding news from Sialkot, a significant product-based webinar was held at a local marquee in Sialkot, bringing together over 17 sports goods and wear exporters from Sialkot and importers from 13 different countries across the globe through online participation. Organized by Baraka Bank, the webinar was attended by Baraka Bank President Mr. Muhammad Atif Hanif, Chairman Sports Association Khwaja Masood Akhtar, office bearers of the Sialkot Chamber of Commerce and Industry, including Nasir Bhatt and other prominent business figures. Online importers who attended the seminar included South Africa, Tunisia, Jordan, Turkey, Bahrain, Egypt, Algeria, and Sudan. On this occasion, Baraka Bank President Mr. Muhammad Atif Hanif stated that similar webinars had previously been conducted between Sialkot exporters and importers from South Africa, Egypt and Turkey. He further shared that a comprehensive trade finance portal has also been developed, which contains complete details of each exporter and importer to strengthen business connections. Chairman Sports Association Khwaja Masood Akhtar termed the webinar a positive development, noting that this platform would open new avenues of international trade for Sialkot sports exporters. He added that there is a strong demand for Sialkot's products in South America, Europe, and among top global brands, and such initiatives would help connect the local industry with the international market.
For more updates, connect with Cyber News HD.